So my hair has decided to make me look extremely unflattering today, so just bear with it. Hey guys. So today my friend's dog or my brother's girlfriend's dog Minnie is gonna help me choose my makeup. I would have done this challenge with Amy, but it's really hard to film with her. However, I will try to keep one product aside for her to choose and we'll see how that goes. Please do watch till the end because there are a lot of cute and funny moments that you wouldn't want to miss. I already have my primer on, which is why my face looks so damn glowy, and my brows. So let's get on with the video. Hey guys, so this is Minnie. This is my friend's dog. She's a Labrador. She's really cute and she's gonna help me choose my makeup today, right? Minnie! Oh, okay. Minnie! She just got a treat. So she's gonna help me choose my makeup. She looks really pretty with that bow. So here we go. So we have a couple of foundation options here and my friend is placing a few treats and Minnie will select the one that she likes. Whichever she selects first, I'm gonna go for that. Minnie, come.
Yeah.
Okay, so she went for the Nykaa one first, so I'm gonna go for that. So here are the options for the concealer. Minnie, let's see if she does it without the treats. Minnie, choose one. Choose one. Okay, she wants the Instant Age Rewind, so we're gonna go for that. So we have a couple of powders here. I'm hoping she just doesn't choose this one because it's a pressed powder, but it'll be a challenge. We have the Huda Beauty, the Maybelline, the Nykaa, and the Makeup Revolution banana powder. Minnie, which one do you want? Minnie, Minnie, which one do you want? Which one do you want? Minnie, which one? Minnie, which one? So we had to put treats again. Minnie, come. Okay, she wants the Huda Beauty one. Yay! We have a few options for eyeshadows. We have the Too Faced,
That's a huge bitch!
Colourpop, Anastasia, Huda Beauty, and Makeup Revolution. Oh, and Pixie. Minnie, which one do you want? Minnie.
Bruh.
Okay, Minnie, which one do you want? Which one? Okay, she wants the Makeup Revolution one. So we have 3 bronzers here, the Kiko Milano, the Physicians Formula, and the Wet n Wild. Minnie, do you want to choose? Okay, yay, Minnie wants the butter bronzer. Thank you. Choose. Minnie, choose one. Minnie. Okay, she wants both the color bar and this, so I'm gonna layer them. So we have a few highlighters. We have the Wet n Wild, the Maybelline Master Chrome, and the Makeup Revolution. And Minnie doesn't want anything. Minnie, come.
Yeah.
Minnie,
Yeah.
which one?
Yeah.
Which one? Which one?
Which one do you like?
Which? Ow!
Minnie, after.
Minnie, which one do you want? Minnie, which one? Which one? Had to put some treats because she was not listening. Minnie, you can come now.
No.
Minnie, come. She wants the Maybelline one. She ends up eating all the treats anyway. But so we have 4 mascaras here: Kiko Milano, L'Oreal, the Paise, and a tiny Clarins one. Minnie, come. Choose. Minnie. Which one?
Look here.
Okay, Minnie, come. Minnie, choose which one you want. Okay, so she wants she wants this one, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So this is the last option. These are lips and this will make or break my look. If she chooses this one, which is a dark as night black color, I'm screwed. Or even any of these, but let's see what she chooses. Okay, Minnie, come. Which one do you want? Oh, she chose this one. This is the Milani one. So Minnie has chosen this foundation. This is the Nykaa Anti-Pollution Foundation Triple Action Formula. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. By the way guys, if you do get this foundation, I would suggest that you get one shade lighter because it kind of tends to oxidize on some people, not on everybody. Doesn't oxidize on me. So Minnie has chosen for concealer the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I'm going to use this under my eyes. So now that I look like Casper, I will be setting my face with powder in a while. But before I do that, I want to apply the cream blush that Minnie chose. This is one of the two blushes that she chose. This is the Kryolan cream blush set. So yeah, I'm going to apply this to my cheeks right now. So for powder, Minnie chose the Huda Beauty Easy Bake, and this is one of my favorite loose powders, so I'm really glad that she chose this. So I've slightly baked my under eye. Now I'm going to use eyeshadows. Then the eyeshadow palette that Minnie has chosen for me is the I Heart Evolution Nudes palette, and I'm going to go for a very neutral look. So this is perfect for that. So now I will dust the powder off my face and start doing my face makeup. For bronzer, Minnie chose my favorite Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm so happy she chose this because this is literally all I use. For highlighter, Minnie chose the Maybelline Master Chrome. This is the rose gold shade and I really like this one. Before I complete my eye look, I would like to add this to my cheeks because Minnie chose this one as well. This is another blush. This is the Color Bar Cheek Illusion Blush, and I will just apply a little bit of this to my face. For mascara, Minnie chose the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is a cult favorite in the beauty community and also a very great dupe of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, in case you were wondering. For lips, Minnie chose the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Allure. It's a really bright pink lip and honestly I'm down with it. So I'm mostly done with my look, but I also want to give Amy a chance to choose something for me as well. So I'm going to make her choose between these 4 glosses and let's see what she chooses. So these are the colors that I have laid out for Amy to choose from. The lip glosses, we have 2 Color Pops and 2 Nykas.
Two 2,000 years later.
She wants this. So Amy has chosen this Nykaa gloss. It's a peach colored gloss and I think it's gonna go really well with this look. So this is the finished look. I'm getting strong Durga Puja vibes from this. I could have done without the gloss to be honest, but I wanted Amy to pick something for me as well. And as you guys saw from that clip, just one product took so long so I couldn't make her choose everything. But one thing it is, and honestly it's not that bad, right? I mean, it's a nice look, I guess, I hope. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you've watched this far, comment, all dogs go to heaven.
Come here. I have a treat. Sit. Sit here. Oh my god. Come here. I have a treat. You know what?
Basho.
Feet is right. Yes. Come. Come. Minnie, please come and stop drooling. Bye, Minnie. Minnie, say bye. Say bye.
Like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.